Calcium is a vital nutrient in the body, used by every single cell for normal daily function. It's responsible for transferring messages between nerves, building bones, and so much more. If calcium levels are not exactly right, a variety of problems occur, including bone loss, intestinal symptoms, kidney disease, and mental disturbances. Long-standing elevation in calcium places a heavy burden on the body.